Hi everyone. So today we're going to draw a sleeping kitty cat with a ball of yarn. So first we're going to start off with the head. So we're going to get the cat's going to have his head kind of tilted. So we're going to start out like this. And then we'll put another ear like that. And then just come around like that. And then we're going to go ahead and do the cat's body. Just going to curve around like that. And then the cat needs a leg, so we're going to go ahead and give the cat a foot and then its leg like that. And then we're going to draw two little paws here because the cat's kind of laying on his paws. And then we'll join the body like that. And then we're going to go ahead and do the kitty's face. So give the kitty a little nose, a little triangle, and then a mouth. And of course, cat needs some whiskers. And then our kitty's going to be sleeping, so we're just going to give our kitty two little lines like that. And then just draw the inside of the ear. Little triangles. And we're gonna give the cat a tail. So this cat's tail is gonna be up, even though usually when a cat's sleeping, the tail isn't up, but we're gonna have our kitty's tail up. Just like that. And then I'm gonna give our little kitty a pattern on its back. Just do a few little triangles on the kitty's back. And then we're going to give some stripes on our kitty's tail. All right. And next we're going to draw a little ball of yarn for our kitty. So I'm just going to draw a circle. And then a few lines down the center. And then some lines this way. So it kind of looks like a raveled up ball of yarn. Then we're going to have one piece of yarn coming off of that ball. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and use our black marker and trace our kitty. And we won't go over this line right here. We'll just go straight up to the tail. Do a little triangle pattern. All right, and we'll start on our face. All right, and go ahead and do the head. triangles in the ears. All right, and then we'll go over to our little ball of yarn here. All right. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and erase all of those pencil lines. So next we're going to go ahead and color our kitty. So for the pattern on the kitty, I'm going to use this orange. We'll just do those little triangles orange, and we're going to make this tail striped orange, or white and orange. Of course, you can make your kitty, if you don't want a pattern on your kitty, you can make them all one color. You can do whatever pattern on your kitty you want. We're going to give the tail some orange stripes. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and color our kitty's nose pink. And the inside of the ears will also do pink. And then our ball of yarn, of course you can do any color. I'm just going to use this turquoise color. That little string coming off. Okay. And that's how you draw a sleeping kitty. If you like this video, please subscribe to see more videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.